फुलबाणी आसी पार्टिसिपेट करने जो मैंने जानी ना मु आउ थे कहीदे कि आम पिला को बाछी नहीं आसीलु फुलबाणी। Look at the spirit this small boy has. He motivated us to keep the concept. Actually is the boy behind the concept of our Rotary Dawn. Sponsor of this Wonder Kid son, our upcoming Budhya, is none other than Rotarian Purnendure.
Oh, really?
He is the chief coordinator of the event. May I request the district governor to felicitate Rotarian Purnendure, who is the chief coordinator of this event. So thank you so much for your hard work and all the effort behind this event. May I request district governor to felicitate Rotarian Umakant Patnaik for his presence and his support.